Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of artery for histology practical and slide. There are 4 identification points of artery. Number 1, tunica, intima, media and adventitia are present. Number 2, tunica media is thick, smooth muscular layer. Number 3, internal and external elastic lamina is present. Number 4, the lumen of artery is patent. These are the 4 identification points of artery for histology practical and slide. I already upload the detailed slide explanation video of artery on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, each slide detailed explanation video and each slide identification points for practical and slide. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.